Hello everyone, I am Ayush Dinesh Bhosni in B.Pharm, third year, 5th sem from PR Patil Institute of Pharmacy, Talegaon. Today we are going to learn about aloe and details of aloe vera. So I have divided two parts. Let's start with the synonyms of aloe vera. Ague noun, century plant, American aloe, aloes noun, pita, succulent noun, aloe vera, cactus noun. Then, biological source. Aloes is obtained from the dried juice of the leaves of Aloe barbadense Miller, known as Crucario aloes, Aloe peribaker, known as Sagrotine aloe, Aloe ferox Miller, and hybrids of this species with Aloe africana Miller and Aloe spicata bicker, known as Cape aloes. Family to Asphodelaceae. In past it has been assigned to broadly circumscribed family Liliaceae. Then geographical source. Aloes is the indigenous to eastern and southern African and grow in Cape Colony, Zanzibar and island Socotra. It is also cultivated in Caribbean island, Europe and many parts of India including northwest Himalaya. Then, microscopy of aloe vera. Epidermis. The outer layer of the leaf is composed of polygonal epidermal cells that exhibit the distinctive fine and smooth surface clustering with the thick cuticle covering them. Then, stomata. These are pores that facilitate gas exchange and are evenly distributed on both the upper and lower surface of the leaf. Chlorenchyma, located beneath the epidermis, this tissue contains cells with chloroplast indicating its role in assimilation. Vascular bundle, these are found within the mesophyll separating it from the central hydrangeum. Hydrangeum, this is the primary tissue of the leaf interior forming a compact gel-like substance that contains mucilaginous parenchyma and allotic. Microscopic technique. Optical microscopy used to image the surface morphology and observe the arrangement of epidermal cells and stomata. Samples are prepared by peeling off thin layer of the epidermis and placing it on slide for observation. Then second, cryoscanning electron microscopy, an optimized technique that allows for the visualization of intermus microstructure such as the gel in its natural state without extensive specimen preparation by minimizing issue with dehydration and preparation artifacts. Standard scanning electron microscopy. This technique can be used to observe the structure of aloe vera scaffold showing collapsed cellulose cell walls and tissue-like structure after cell cultivation. Then chemical constituent polysaccharide, primary composed of acetylene, which is known for its potential benefits in wound healing and as a prebiotic. Then second, vitamins include antioxidants like vitamin A, C, and E, along with various B vitamins, B12, folic acid, choline. Then third, enzymes such as bradykinin, which can reduce inflammation, and other like amylase and lipase, the help in breakdown of sugar and. Then fourth, minerals provide essential minerals like calcium, chromium, copper, selenium, magnesium, manganese, potassium, sodium, and then extraction and isolation. First is leaf selection and preparation. Choose mature leaves, wash them thoroughly, and sterilize the surface with a solution like 70% ethanol followed by 0.1% mercury chloride. Then rinse with distilled water. Then second, draining the latex. Cut the leaf about 0.5 inches from the base to allow the yellow bitter latex alanion. The drain out this latex should be discarded as it can cause then third, peeling the leaf. Use a sharp knife to remove the stony sides and the outer skin, exposing the clear inner. Then isolation of aloe components. First is drying. The fresh gel can be dried in an oven at 80 Celsius for 48 hours. Lipolyze freeze dried to obtain a powder. Second is solvent extraction. Soak the dried powder in a solvent like ethane, methanol to extract compound. Then third, filtration. Filter the solution to remove solid residues. Then fourth, evaporation. Evaporate the solvent to obtain a crude extract. then benefits of aloe vera and potential health benefits of aloe vera. Then medicinal uses of aloe vera and inner layer transparent gel of aloe vera. Then marketed preparation. Harvesting mature aloe vera leaves are carefully harvested from commercial plantation. Then washing. The harvest leaves are washed with water and high pressure jets to remove dirt, debris, and other impurities. Then juice. The filtered and stabilized aloe vera juice is ready for use concentrated. The juice can be further concentrated for different applications. Then gel. Stabilization juice can be mixed with gelling agents and other ingredients to create ready to use aloe vera gels for cosmetic and pharmaceutical. Then some pictures of marketed preparation of aloe vera. Then in the part, I express my heartfelt gratitude Dr. Nilesh Banarasi sir, House Need Guide for his continuous support, motivation and valuable guidance. I am thankful to respect principal sir, director sir, all the faculty member and non-teaching staff for their encourage and assistance and special thanks to my friends and classmates for their cooperation and moral support. Thank you.